Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Welcome back to a new lesson. Today we're learning how to recreate one of Hollywood's most famous effects, the dolly zoom or vertigo effect. This effect, it is one of my favorite effects to do, and all you're gonna know is how to keyframe. Before we start editing, let's download Filmora 12. Click the link below, click download, install it, and now you're ready to follow along this tutorial. This effect was first created by Alfred Hitchcock in the movie Vertigo, and since then, so many directors, so many cinematographers use this effect in their films to create this very cool vertigo dolly zoom effect. And we're going to learn how to recreate this using drone shots. The reason we're recreating this with drone shots is because you need a very stable shot. So even on a gimbal, you might get a little bit of a jitter, a bit of a up and down from your walking, and it's just not going to look good if we do it that way. So the only way that we can recreate it and we are sure that we're going to get a perfect effect is using a drone, just because it's exactly perfectly stable, balanced in all directions. There's a few ways you can recreate this effect in different situations, so let's find out. The actual effect itself, it is probably one of the easiest effects ever. So if, let's say, your drone is flying forward, we're going to keyframe at the start and we're going to keyframe at the end. The keyframe at the start, it's going to be the opposite direction of where the drone is going. So if the drone is going, let's say, forward, we're going to keyframe in zoom in, and then we're going to keyframe all zoom out at the end, so that the drone is going forward, but our zoom is going backwards, creating this beautiful vertigo effect. If the drone is going backwards, we're going to start zoomed out and we're going to end zoom in. You can also try this on different kind of drone shots. Usually if you're flying forward or backward, the best effect works when there is a lot of object, like in a city or like in this landscape, for example. If there isn't much going on, the effect doesn't look as good. Also, if you're trying this on a top-down shot, it will kind of look like the shot is not moving, which creates a very weird effect. So I don't really recommend doing it on a top-down shot unless your drone is going up super fast or down super fast, then it might be good. But if you don't have that speed, it's just not going to look good. Another way of using this effect that I really like, it's not really a vertigo effect, it's more like a cool way of spicing up your drone footage, I would say. When you're orbiting something with a drone, you can keyframe a pan and a zoom to make the shot looks like you're also going towards whatever object it is. Like for instance, in this example where the drone is orbiting around this little island, if I pan and zoom from start to finish into the beach, you will see that the shot first looks nice but kind of boring, and after this effect it just looks more interesting. It looks like the drone is actually zooming into the beach, which creates this very cool effect. So definitely recommend trying this vertigo effect and trying these different ways of utilizing keyframes to spice up your drone footage. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.